Okay guys, so we just had a major rainstorm. It's still raining really hard right now, but all the waterways in the fields are really flooded. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I'm gonna go out with Jake and get some kayaks, and we're gonna try to kayak in the waterways and see how that goes.
Holy crap. It is so flooded. Whoa. Wow. Woo. I can't believe this, guys. I'm gonna go get a kayak loaded up here. Oh my gosh. There we go. What the? Dude, there's a freaking groundhog. What the heck? Alright, let's get this kayak in. Alright, we're good. Let's go. Look at the road. Oh my gosh. This is insane. Look at this. Jeez. Holy cow. That is deep. Look at this. Oh man. Alright, so we're going to be trying to kayak down this today. I don't know how that's going to turn out. Oh my goodness. So here's the waterways right here, and these waterways go into a creek. So we're going to go down through this creek where I just showed you guys. Alright, here we go, guys. We're going in the kayak down a freaking waterway. Oh man. Oh my goodness, this is fast. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh man. Oh. Wow, this is so awesome, guys. Holy cow. Oh, we're going. Whoa, what? Almost. Ow. Holy cow. This is crazy. I'm not even going to use the oar. Oh. Oh, I got stuck. Okay. Here we go. Keep on paddling down this creek. Oh, no. Guys, we got a clog right here. So we can go under it. Alright, we got through it. Okay, we're still going. Ah! Oh! Okay, here we go. Alright, there's a big rod up here. Gonna have to go around it. Maneuver around it real quick. Holy cow, rapids right here. Oh man. Guys, this is the waterway. This has never been, I've never seen it like this before. This is crazy. There's the ranger up there. We're gonna go till there. Oh man. Okay, alright, we're gonna keep going. Go through these rapids here. Oh, hitting the ground a little. Alright, we're getting stuck. Okay, we got it. Let's keep going. Jake's gonna go follow me with the ranger. Man. There's Jake right there. Okay, he's gonna try going across. That's how deep it is, guys. Crazy. Wow. Woo. Oh my. Usually there's a trickle in this waterway. Oh my. That's how deep it is. Alright, we're not going in that. That's gonna kill us. Show you guys the. Yeah. Look how deep this is. It's knee deep in a waterway. Oh, it's above my knees. Oh my goodness! Look at this. Who knows how deep this creek is?
At least 5 foot.
Yeah, it's probably about 5 foot deep in the creek. No way I'm going through that. My goodness. This is crazy. Alright, we got the kayak loaded up. And we're gonna go hit some more waterways. See how we do. Here we go. Across the waterway here.
Oh my word, it's coming in, it's coming in!
Oh, it's coming in. We made it. Guys, you do not believe this creek.
This is usually 4 foot wide.
Yeah.
And it's about
What in the world? Look at this creek. This creek is usually about 3 feet wide. And it's about, I don't know, 50 feet wide right now, but alright, we're gonna see if we can get in a little bit. Alright, it's not that strong at all. We're gonna cross it. It's not very strong. Okay, maybe we should go back. It's a little bit too strong right now, but not strong enough to push us in. We're not gonna risk going over there, but so we're just gonna go back. Wow. Look at that. Oh. Okay guys, Jake's gonna try the same spot I did. What? Yep, got the paddle real quick. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's see how he does. He's going through that little channel creek. Alright, here he goes guys. We're gonna follow him a little bit. He's going down the creek. Let's go follow him. Here he goes. I can't see him right now. Alright. Here's what I just went through. Jake's gonna come in here. I'll see if we can see him. There he comes. He's getting through that gap. There he is. Right down the creek, guys. Look at this. Oh. Alright, he's gonna keep going down there. I'm gonna go get the ranger real quick. Let's go. Look at that. Alright, here we go. We're in the waterway right now. Alright, let's get out of here. There's Jake. Yeah. What? Yeah, man. Woo. Alright, here we go. We're gonna go try to find a new spot to start kayaking more. Look at that. Crazy.
being hydroplane.
Not on this. Look at this culvert. Oh my jeez. Holy cow. This is awesome. Alright, let's go check out the road. Here's the road, and it's all covered up. This is the road. Ankle deep in the road. Alright, here's where the culvert starts right there. It's probably about 5 foot deep right there. Not a safe spot to step in. Alright guys, we found our next kayaking spot. There's the road. Look at this creek right here. Big. It's really fast right now. Alright, I'm gonna go get the ranger. And we're gonna try kayaking from over there where that big puddle is. We're gonna try to cross the creek and see how deep it is.
It's about a real big hole here.
Oh no! Sprain your ankle or something?
Oh, it hurt.
What happened?
Oh, I'm just kidding.
But for real, guys, we're gonna go try to kayak down this waterway here. We're gonna start all the way up there where that big puddle is. So I'm gonna go meet Jake over there on the Ranger. Let's go. All right, here we go. We're gonna cross. Oh my goodness sakes! All right, we made it. Let's keep going. Here's Jake. Okay. Get in the kayak. Gonna push me out here. Let's go. Oh yeah. Stinking waterway kayaking. Woo! This is fast, pretty fast too. Look at these rapids. All right. Oh, hit the bottom. All right, we're gonna keep going. All right, guys, here we go. Down the rapid, the waterfall here. Oh no, we got stuck. Oh no. Oh, we're getting stuck. Oh my, holy. Oh my gosh. Here we go. We're flying. Woo! Guys, we gotta get home. There's a big thunder, big lightning coming. Look at this. Holy cow, look at these rapids. Oh man. Holy cow. Oh, we're getting a little stuck. All right, let's keep going a little bit. We'll go all the way to the road. This is so fun. All right, we got some more rapids. Oh man, we're hitting bottom pretty good. All right, guys, here we go. We're still going. Coming up to the road. Oh yeah, the water's starting to go down a little bit, but I got a big culvert under. Here we go, we're gonna hit the road. There we go. We are on the road. Guys, we're on the road right now. Awesome. All right, guys, we just got done kayaking and we're gonna have to end it here because we just heard a really loud lightning coming. So we're gonna go ahead and get out of here and get in our house.